Hey everyone! So we've recently moved and the new closet is half the size of our previous place's closet. So we're going to do some organizing, donating, and just having some fun with this. My jewelry is getting all tangled, not good. Step 1, have a handy dandy assistant. So I have a lot of jewelry. It usually comes from big box stores and it's inexpensive, but I have a lot of it. And so I'm measuring the longest necklace that I have. That about 24 inches high. I'll have space to reach the necklaces and then also space to reach and pull out the earring holders. And then that would make this at about 16 inches. I'm laying my materials out on the floor. I wish I would have had a thicker dowel rod, but this one's okay. And I'm going to measure the string to go twice as long and a little bit more than what I need for a little bit of extra strength. So it's not just one strand, it's going to be two like that. I recommend a sturdy chair if you need to reach up high. One side finished and I'll work on the next. Yay, both sides. Do you approve? Am I doing good? Yay, it's finished. I have travel bags up top, dangly earrings under that, and then necklaces and bracelets on the dowel rod. I wish the dowel rod I would have gotten like a thicker size because it started to bow a little bit. So I put bracelets in the middle so that way they're a little bit lighter. I have stud earrings in the cases. They're like bead cases. And clothes underneath.